Thank you to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring today's video. The process of finding the right pair of eyewear that fits your face can be challenging and pricey. So by cutting out the middleman, GlassesUSA.com offers over 10,000 prescription glasses and sunglasses, including their in-house brands along with designer brands like Ray-Ban, Michael Kors, Gucci, just to name a few. They offer up to 70% off of retail prices and a risk-free shopping experience with free shipping and returns with 100% money-back guaranteed within 14 days. Glasses USA has a collection of blue light blocking glasses that helps to protect your eyes at home, work, or outdoors, and also includes glare protection and UV block. After a long day of work, I find that I'm less tired and my eyes do not hurt from working in front of a computer screen all day long. To make the process even easier, they have a virtual try-on tool on their website allowing you to upload a picture of yourself so you can see how each pair of glasses will look on your face, helping you find the right fit. Not only are you able to shop their assortment of glasses, they also offer 25% off all contact lens brands like AccuView, Biofinity, and many more, making it an awesome place to stock up and save on contacts and glasses. Shop GlassesUSA.com today and save money by using the link in the description box. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia if this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my realistic after work routine, a little bit of cooking, cleaning, all the things I like to get done in the afternoon. Of course, every single day is a bit different, but since I am 100% remote, I am able to start my evening routine a little bit earlier. There is a little bit of flexibility. I do have to pick up Riley from school at about 3:50. It's currently 2:20. I want to get a little bit of cleaning done, just tidying up a bit because I do have an afternoon call, which isn't something that happens too often, but I am going to lose a little bit of that time to get some of that stuff done a little bit later today. Like I mentioned, it's currently 2:20, so I want to tidy up the living room a bit. It's not even too bad. I've been able to kind of like go in there and quickly like pick up random things here and there, but let's just see what we're working with. I know the dining area is a mess, but I'm not quite sure if we're going to be able to get to that right this second. So this is what we have going on. So a little bit of things I need to pick up off the couch, some random stuff from today, and then I do also have some stuff that's Riley's homework, which we need to tackle later today. And if I can kind of clear off this space a little bit, don't mind the trash down there. Like literally they have not taken or picked up the trash in what feels like forever. So I have a bunch of boxes that need to go out for recycling. And then if we have time, I do want to tackle the dining area. We were finally able to put up the bats. I think that video should be the one that went live right before this video, so you guys would have already seen that. And then I just need to put some of this stuff away. This is going to be a fun DIY, which I cannot wait to share with you guys, but not too bad. The kitchen's not bad as well, except there is a sink load of dishes, so I will need to tackle that later today. I'm not even going to try to do that right now. To help me cut down on feeling overwhelmed when it comes to balancing working a 9-to-5 and also being a homemaker and taking care of all of the things that have to do with the home, I do find that tidying up throughout the day definitely helps me. It makes me feel a little bit less stressed, anxious, and all of that kind of stuff. So if you're ever finding yourself feeling a little bit overwhelmed with everything that you need to get done, because I do know it is a lot, try doing little tidy ups throughout the day. So at the end of the night, there's a lot less stuff that you have to do. So when I go to pick up Riley, I like to get there an hour before she actually needs to be picked up, because this is when I like to take my lunch break. I will walk around the neighborhood and just get my body moving, especially since I do work from home and have a desk job. I want to just get out, get some fresh air, and take some time for myself. We are back home, and usually I let her lounge, watch her shows, relax a little bit before we get any homework done. But this particular day, she was waiting for her friend to get off of the bus so she can play with her. So I told her if that was the case, that we have to get our homework done right away, so then she has time to play. Okay, so here is the lunch I packed. So she ate, I would say, maybe half of it, more of the snacks. And in here is the mozzarella sticks. I sent 3, but I would say a good 2 came back. So, and then I got a pack of these little like containers from the Dollar Tree, so I can put like ketchup, marinara sauce, all of that kind of stuff. So I need to get better at clearing out her lunchbox the same night. So that's what I'm going to do now while we are waiting for the bus to come in so she can go outside and play with her friends. So it's about 6 o'clock. Riley's been playing outside with her friend. I took my call. I'm done working for the day. I made her some pizza, but I'm gonna cook something for myself. So earlier today, I did take out some of the chicken sausage that I purchased from Costco. So I'm gonna cut this up. I do have a little bit of rice left, so I don't have to make any tonight, but then I'll also make some vegetables and kind of just do like a little bit of a stir fry type of thing. So that's gonna be something very quick and easy, and something we're just gonna throw together.
To have fun, you see, I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up.
So while that is cooking and Riley is eating and watching her shows, I'm going to start on the dishes. I want to take everything out of the dishwasher and then also start working on that sink full of dishes that you guys saw earlier today. The plan is for us to go back outside once she's finished eating so that she can play with her friend. But just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a heads up, that didn't end up happening. So me and her ended up getting some extra mommy and daughter time.
I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Not giving up. Dream, dream, dream.
Unfortunately, not everything was able to fit into the dishwasher, so I do have to hand wash a few dishes.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
So I finished the chicken sausage, and then in the pan I just put the vegetable medley from Kirkland's, and I'm gonna let this saute a little bit. Riley's gonna go back outside and play, so I'll just come back and forth and check on her, just because I don't like to leave her outside by herself.
Knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. And I said, see it in your
Okay, so it's now 7:30. Riley's just watching her shows. She said she's hungry again. So you guys can see, I'm just quickly making her a grilled cheese. And I figured while I'm doing all that, I might as well kind of start to clean up the kitchen a bit, so it's less work that I have to do later today, because I do have to still edit a video for you guys, and I want to stretch and get some cleaning done out there. So if I can do majority of the cleaning in the kitchen, that's just really going to help me out. I think the dishwasher just stopped, but I might kind of unload that tomorrow, because it's not really that big of a deal, and then just hand wash the dishes that are in the sink.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
And thankfully, somebody asked for broccoli.
Tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time. Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Another thing that I really like to do, especially when I have the extra time, is while Riley is winding down watching her shows, I will go and take my shower so I can kind of get that out of the way, because usually after giving her a shower, reading books, putting her down, by that time I am exhausted, and the last thing I want to do is now take a shower and then get anything else done that I need to before heading to bed. So that is definitely something I try and do every single night, but of course, like I mentioned earlier, every single night is a little bit different.
Queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that.
Just got Riley down to bed. I just have to quickly clean up the living room. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Already cleaned the kitchen. Dining area is pretty good. Yeah, it's basically just picking up in the living room, and then I get to relax a little bit. Sometimes I watch a show, sometimes I don't. But I do need to edit a video, so I might just like pop something up on the screen. So I kind of just have like some background noise. But yeah. Okay, so really not too bad. Just kind of having to put the blankets and stuff away. We had some LOLs from earlier, so honestly it's really not that bad. That's why I try and start the process of cleaning a lot earlier, so it's less work that I have to do. So if I could be done within the next like 5-10 minutes, like I'm going to be a happy camper.
I some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time.
So now that everything is cleaned up for the night, I'm going to sit on the couch, finally relax, light a candle, and then edit a video.
Find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, 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 time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time.
Thank you again to glassesusa.com for sponsoring today's video. Go check out their website and see all of the different variety of glasses and eyewear that you guys would be able to get, and save money by using the link in the description box below.
Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue.